So deleting items, we have a button in the UI called cleanup that will find all the checked items in the list and delete them, since it assumes that once you finish the task, you don't want to see it anymore. So we have two methods here that handle this. First is one that just generates a list of all of the checked documents. This could be done using a query, but since you're probably not going to have a whole lot of documents, it was simpler just to run it using a for loop. So what we're doing here is going through all the rows in the data source. So that's all of the rows that show up in the table view. Look at the document of each one. If it's checked property is set, we're going to add it to that array and return the array. Then delete checked documents will tell the data source to delete the documents that came back from checked documents. Some people have asked, why do we go through the data source to do this instead of talking directly to the database? It's because UI table view has these nice animations that it does to like sort of slide the remaining rows back up when you delete rows. And in order to get those animations, you have to tell the UI table view directly to delete the rows. If you told the database itself to delete these documents, everything would update correctly. The live query would update, the table view would reload itself, and those rows would be missing. It's just that they would kind of vanish abruptly instead of doing that nice smooth animation. All right, so we now have this fully functioning app, and if you added just this code to it, it would work. It would run as a single user app on your local phone. The only thing is, okay, so sync is supposed to be this kind of big killer feature of Couchbase Lite. Where's the sync? Easy to add, and I think this is one of the great things about Couchbase Lite, that you can pretty much forget, for the most part, about using the network. You can get really far into development before you